Hi guys, it's Deb here and I've got my August unboxing of my Kitaholic kits. So I'm going to jump right into it. Okay, so I'm going to start with the mixed media kit. Move some of this stuff out of the way. And sorry my desk is a bit messy. I was playing around with a bit of mixed media and I need to get some new cardboard. So what's exciting is that we got the Vicky Bouton acrylic paints. So I'm not sure what colors. Let's see. A lot of stickers on that box. They don't want to let you get into the box. So we've got blue Hawaiian. Let's see if I'm in focus here. Blue Hawaiian, juicy pear, sugared strawberry, and coral macaroon. Macaroon? I don't know. However you say that word. So that is really cool because if you saw the unboxing last month, we got the art crayons, and the month before we got the watercolors. So I think that would be really cool to layer some of this different media on each other. I've been watching Vicky's YouTube channel and she has got some brilliant ideas on using her products. So there's that. Then we got our stencil for the month, and is it going to be one of those days where I can't open things up? Okay, ooh, pretty. So it's like a floral. If I can get the glare off it. Oh, this is a bad video already. So that's our stencil from Katie Mixed Media, and that is the Mixed Media kit for August. Okay, next up we have got the embellishment kit. So we got some paper blooms from Kaisercraft, and there's 10 of them in there, and there's different sizes, so you can always mist or paint these to change the colors of them. We got some pearl string from Kaisercraft, and it's gold and it's 2 meters in length, so that is so cool. And we've got some doilies from Heidi Swap, 12 of them. I see there's the solid doilies, and I don't know if you can see that, there's a solid doily and the cutout doily that you'd normally see, the fancy kind of one. So that's it on top there. Alright, we got some wooden flourishes from Kaiser, 2mm plywood, and their little tags, they're so cute. So we got them. Oh, these ones, I love this. This is so cool. My Mind's Eye acrylic stickers, and they're all words and shapes, and I just don't even want to open this. I want to hoard this. This is so cool. I love acrylic pieces, and they're not too big that you couldn't even use them in your project life. Okay, so we've got the, sorry for the glare, the 12x12 chipboard Wild Heart from Crate Paper. So lots of different icons and words and things to use on your projects. So that is the embellishment kit for August. So this is the main kit, and we've got a piece of tulle, and it is so gorgeous. It's gold with gold polka dots on it. That is just so pretty. I love that. We've got the Wild Heart ephemera pieces. So there's a little look on the back of that, and there's 40 pieces in there. I can see some vellum and gold accents, so that is really cool. Oh, it includes 6 vellum pieces in there. So we get the clear stamps from Kaiser, and there's quite a few words, and I love this kind of distressed heart here in the little vine. It is called Fleur, so that's cool. Then we get some thickers. I like these. High Five. Oh, they're so cool. It's like in a scripty font. Oh, I like them. And they're puffy. So there's quite a few words. And as I've said many times in my videos, I love it when the title's already done for you. We get some bling. And this color is yellow. So it looks a little bit more greeny to me, like a greeny kind of yellow, but goes well with the collection. We got a, oh, this is cool, Tropical Leaves designer template from Kaiser. I'm in frame. This is a horrible video, I'm sorry. So very cool. Okay, into the papers, and I believe they're all from Wild Heart from Crate Paper. So we've got Jungle. That's that side. We've got Electric. And then there's that side. Oh, this one's pretty. This one's Heidi Swap Pineapple Crush. Oh, that is so pretty. I like that. Then we've got, oh, another one from, I was lying before. They're not all from Wild Heart. Pineapple Crush, Cabana. Oh, that one was called Breezy. This one is Cabana. And this one is from the Pineapple Crush line as well, called Good Vibes. Oh, that's a nice distressed wooden one, wood grain. Okay, back to the Crate Paper ones. We've got Planted. Palms. And, oh, we've got a red piece of cardstock paper from We Are Memory Keepers. Game Day Red. Oh, that does go well. It does really pop, doesn't it? Okay, so we have also got the exclusive die cuts. So I will pull, I might put them on here because that's a dark background. So I can pull them up and you can see some of the things. There's tiny words in the exclusive die cuts this month. I'm not doing a very good job on this video. Okay, you get the point there. There's tickets and labels and little things to decorate your page. Sorry if I was out of focus then. So you get a whole baggie of die cuts, little hearts, little tabs, and yeah, just a lot of things to help decorate and journal on your pages. So that is the main kit for August. Okay, last kit is the Pocket Page kit for your Project Life or Pocket Pages, whatever you want to call it. So we got our exclusive layer, which is the word August. We got some bling in soft pink from Kaiser. Was that focusing? I can't tell. We've got some Freckled Fawn wood chips. So looks like they've got writing on them. So that's pretty cool. I love it how it's half a circle so you can have it on the edge of your photo or your journaling card or whatever. We got some mini alpha stickers from Kaiser, black and white. One sheet, 529 shapes. So a lot of alphas. Love using the tiny alphas in Project Life. We have got the Wild Heart stickers, 146 stickers, so lots of icons, and you can see that foiling on there. Oh, and there's a little alpha down here and a few labels, and just really cool to help accent your Project Life. We've got from, what's this from? Kaisercraft too. Stickers, they're, 3 sheets of word stickers, so that is really cool. Yeah, 3 sheets of them, and these little icons down here are cut into circles, so that's cool too. We've got the Wild Heart, this one's called Wildly, so you got tags down the bottom and 3x4s there, and then that's the back side. I really love that one there. That's so cute. Alright, so with the Pocket Page kit, we've got some cards cut up for us, and here we go. I can't get into another baggie here, so I'm going to quickly flip through because I think these are the same papers that were in the main kit. So I'll just flip through. Very cool. Love creating my own cards for Project Life. And it looks like we might be getting 2 of each by the looks of it. So sorry for that. He does like to make a lot of noise when he rides past. Alright, so then we've got these ones. So yeah, it looks like they're all the same kind of papers. I really do like that wood grain that were in the main kit. And the last thing was the exclusive die cuts, and you get lots of extra labels in the pocket page kit, so really help with your journaling with them labels. There's tiny words, arrows, solid labels, little tabs, faux flare, yeah, just lots of different stuff. Like, my god, I can't even hold it, there's so much stuff here. So, and a 3x4 card. So that is it for me today. I will leave links below to Kitaholic Kits if you'd like to go check them out, and also I will leave a link to my playlist of all my projects over on Kitaholic Kits YouTube channel, so don't forget to check that out, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.